Okay, you guys, I've got some contact lenses or color lenses, and it's from Maxi Eyes. I don't know if you can see it. Well, this is it. It is Frost, and the color is bright gray, and I put already one in my eye, so I don't know if you can see it. So I've got brown eyes, dark brown eyes from myself, and it's bright gray, so it's a little bit like green grayish on my eye. So let me put the other one in, and then yeah, you will see the difference. Okay, well, here I go. So I've just put the second one in my eye, and this is the result. And yeah, I don't know, I kind of like it, but it's, I don't know, it's like brown green, dark green with gray, with, I don't know what the color is, but the exact color is bright gray, and this is the color. I don't know if you can see it. Let me focus on the, oh, you don't see it, but yeah. But with my eye color, with my own eye color, and then with the contact lens or with the color lenses, and it is a different kind of color than it should be. So yeah, I don't know, let me know what you guys think, and yeah, this is the review.